Elegant living is the focal point in the Egret II. This 3-bedroom and 3-bath home features 2,969 square feet of premium living space throughout one spacious floor. The grand gallery-style foyer is flanked by a large dining room. Intimate dining quarters accommodate family gatherings of all occasions. On the other side of the foyer is a private study. The grand room with its coffered ceiling is perfect for both a large group or an intimate gathering. A beautiful gourmet kitchen featuring a large island is perfect for entertaining guests. The dining nook and gathering areas serve as the prime spots to spend quality time with family. For those who want to bring the outside in and have a large second living area outdoors in the extended lanai, this is the home for you. The rich layout of the home continues into the owner's suite, featuring 2 custom walk-in closets, a sumptuous owner's bath, and oversized double vanities allocate ample space. The rest of the family or the occasional guest is well quartered in 2 nicely appointed bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms. Once you step inside the Egret II, you'll feel forever at home.